Hello students, welcome to Praishu. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subjects intelligent test. And here we are going to cover the topic comprehensions following instruction. In this video, we will cover the exercise 1.1 which is available in our Navneet digest. Please open the Navneet notebook. Please look at the textbooks on page number 102 and listen carefully what I'm saying and what explanation I am giving. So let's start the exercise 1.1, page number 102, paper 2, intelligence test. Okay, if you have the older book also, you can use 2020 or 2019 also. It is almostly same. Okay, now in the market 2021 book is available, so you can purchase it and you can use it. So let's start the question number 1. So question number 1, there is a sentence mentioned in a question. It started raining heavily when I left the office and walked to the station to catch a train to my house. So this is the sentence. Now, how many words each of 7 letters are there? In a question, we have to find out the total number of words. Those words which are having the 7 letters each. Okay? मतलब क्या है कि हमें ऐसे वर्ड्स हमें चूज करना है जिनके अंदर 7 लेटर्स या तो अल्फाबेट्स है. ओके, सो ईट मीन्स IT, देर आर द ओनली 2. नाउ स्टार्टेड, if you counted the started, just I wrote down here started. Okay, started. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here are the 7 words, so this is the one. Okay, now raining, if you count the raining. Okay, raining, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is the second word. Then heavily. Okay, heavily. In this one also, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is the number 3 word. Then when, in the when, 4 letters. Then I, left having the 4. The office have the 6 and 3. Walk also have the 6. Then to the station have 7. Station. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is the fourth. And then catch train to my house. No any word have the 7 letters. So there are the these 4 words we are find out, those having the 7 letters. And in the same question they are asking how many words. So these are the 4. Now 4 is in option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct one. Let's move to the question number 2. Makes empty and noise vessel much. This is the some words are given, but this is not in proper sentence format. Okay, so that's why in a question they're asking form a meaningful proverb from the words given above. Okay, so in this one, if you see makes, empty and noise vessel much, if we arrange this one from these words, we have to make the one meaningful sentence. So the sentence we can make, an empty vessel makes much noise. This can be. Okay, so I can just write down here an empty vessel makes much noise. Okay. This is the proper sentence with meaningful sentence we can make. Okay, now in a question further asking, make a series of letters at odd places. Make a series of letters of odd places in which, in this sentence, which is the letter at the fourth place from the left side. From the left side we have to count at the fourth, but before that one, odd places we have to make it the separately. Now from the A we have to make it the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 then 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. We have given the number. Now in this one, the odd places means we have to make the separate odd places. Which are the odd places? 1 then 3 then 5 then 7 then 9 11 13 15 17 19 21 23 25 27. These are the odd places. Now which is the letter at the fourth place from the left up? This series, this is the series. Now place means this is the first, now this is the second, this is the third and this is the fourth. So y is the fourth place. So they are asking the this word. They are asking which is the letter at the fourth place. So this is the Y letter, and this Y is available at the option number 4. So that's why this option number 4 is the correct one. Now move to the question number 3. In a question number 3, there are the 4 sentences already given, and at the bottom, what they are asking, in which of the above sentence the body organ plays its own role? Own role. Okay, this is very important. Own role. The body organ mentioned in our sentences. Now, first sentence, we will just look at the first sentence. Due to heavy rain, due to heavy rain, the belly of river swelled beyond its limit. Okay, now the belly is the one organ. Okay, in this sentence, belly. This is the one organ, but it does it operate or does it make the place the own role? Means the swelling of its limit by own role? No, due to the heavy rain. So this one sentence is incorrect one, which is not in our option. Okay. Now, second one. We will look at the second. I close my mouth of the bottle with cork. Okay. I close the mouth of the bottle with a cork. Okay. Who is close? I close. So mouth can be operate by own role? No. So this second also not. Then third. Number 3, he broke the eyes of coconut and took out the water inside it. Who broke the eyes? Eye is the organ, okay. Who? Here the he, okay, he mentioned. So this is not a own role or playing the own role by the means by the eye, okay. So fourth one. So this is third one also not by the self role, playing the self role, okay. So fourth, speak carefully. The walls also have the ears. Now, here in this sentence, who is speaking? Somebody is speaking. But does they can control ears? The ear can stop their listening? No. That can be. Means they are playing the own role. Okay. So the speaker who is speaking, they cannot be controlled on this ear. So that's why this organ, me ear can be played by its own role. So this fourth is the correct one. Now this 4 is mentioned in option number 4. Okay. So that's why this option number 4 is the correct one. Now move to the next one. Question number 4. How many words rhyming as the word rail? Okay. Here I have written down the rail. Where to find out the rhymings of the same as like the rail occur in the list given below. So there are the list. First is the well, mail, tail, then file, then seal, shall, well, pole, haul, bill, and sell. Now rail, like this one, how many rhyming? The same rhyming means so well, rail, like this one, well, then like the rail, mail, then tail. After tail, file, which is not same. Then seal, not same. Then shall, not same. Then well, well can be same. Then pole, not. Then haul, not. Bill, not. Then sell. Sell is there. Okay. So rail, well, mail, tail, well, sell. Like the other, all having the same rhyming. So how many are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this 5 is given in option number 4. Move to the question number 5. Dushyant's restless mind was settled by watching the magical reflection of the charming colorful rainbow in a bluish water. This is the sentence given. In a given sentence, by how much is the number of adjective? How much is the number of adjective greater or lesser? Means we have to count the first number of adjective and whether that is the greater or less than the number of noun. Means we have to count the adjective and the noun also. So how many adjectives are there? If you see, the adjectives are Dushyant restless. First restless, okay. Then watching magical. Magical is the adjective, okay. Then charming, then charming. After this one, after the charming, then colorful. After the colorful, rainbow in the bluish is there. Okay, so bluish is the adjective. So one, two, three, four, and five. Okay, so these are the five. Then we have to count the nouns. Okay, so how many nouns are there? So Dushyanta, this is the noun. So Dushyanta, okay, and then after the Dushyanta, restless mind. Mind is the noun, okay. Then mind, after the mind, the watching and magical reflection, reflection. Then charming, colorful, rainbow, rainbow in the bluish adjective, and then water. Okay, water is the noun. Okay, so how many? One, two, three, four, and five. This is also the five. Okay, so adjectives and nouns are both are the having the number fives. Okay, if you compare, there is no greater or no lesser. Means both the numbers are equal. Now, if you see the option number one, numbers equal. So the option number one is the correct one. Next question: count your garden by flowers, never by the leaves that fall. This is the sentence. Which of the following options is related to the word leaves in a given line? So, related to this one, option home, holiday, tree, and life. There are the two sentences. Means first is the count your garden by the flower. Here the flower is mentioned and the garden. These are the two main references which are related to the garden. Means in a garden flowers are there, and in a second leaves are there. So leaves, flowers, and garden. Related to these words, is that related to the home, inside the home, or related to home? No. Home and garden or flower or leaves are not relations. So holiday, no. Then third option is the tree. Yes, trees are with a garden for flowers and the leaves also. And the fourth is the life. So life cannot be. So that's why with these leaves, the proper word is the tree. Okay. So option number three is the correct one. Question number seven. From a meaningful word from the letter EATYUSD, which letter is adjacent to the middle letter on its right hand side in the meaningful word? We have to find the first meaningful word, and then in the meaningful word, the middle letters have its adjacent in the right side. So that letter we have to choose. So EATUSD. With this one, if you find out then some choice which is the proper meaningful word. So there is a Tuesday. Okay. So this Tuesday is the meaningful word. And if you find out the middle letter, means here suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So here 3 and here 3. So middle one. S is the middle letter. Middle letter on its right hand side. On its right hand side. Okay. So this is the D letter is there. So the D is mentioned in option number 4. So that's why this option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 8. The word to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. In the above line, how many times do the letter L and O occur respectively? Okay, so we have to count the letters L and the letters O also. So first the in a D, no any O or L in a word. Okay, so well, there is a L and there is a R. So first we will count the O. O also. So we will count the O. Here the O first, then two, here the second, then me was smell and round. In a round, this is the third one. Then and made of. Of this O letter is there. This is the fourth. Pale blue shell. So there are the four O's. Okay, O having the four numbers. I just write down here. Then we have to count the L. In a word, this is the first one. Then to me was small. In small, I just write down here small. There are the two L's, means 2 and 3. And round and made of pale blue. Pale blue. Here the 4, 5. Pale blue shell. Then shell. Here 6 and here 7. So L having 7 numbers. Okay. So in a question, how many times do the letter L and O occurs respectively? Means we have to first give the L and O. So respectively, L is the 7 and O are the 4. So 7 and 4. So 7 and 4 and 7 times and 4 times. So this is the option number 3. Question number 9. In a word, Amritsar, which letters occur at the place that corresponds to the prime numbers? So in Amritsar, A M R I T S A R. So corresponds to the prime numbers. So we have to give the numbering first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and 8. In this one, which are the prime numbers? So 1 is not a prime number, 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, then 5, then 7. Okay. So we are given the corresponding prime numbers and that letters we have to choose. So these are the M, then R, then T, and then A. Okay, MRTA. So MRTA is mentioned in option number 4. So that's why this option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 10. Inside our garden, we have made a nice and pretty little pool. This is the sentence. In this line, how many words made of 4 letters and 6 letters respectively do occurs? We have to find out the 4 letters word and 6 letters and we have to give it in a answers respectively. So inside means INSIDE. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here the 6 words. Okay, then our 4, then garden having 6. Okay, then we means the 2 have the 4, then made also have the 4 letters. I just write down the those words having the 4 and 6 letters. A nice having the 4, nice. Then and pretty having the 6. Here the 6. Little having the 6. Pool having the 4. Pool. Okay, 4. So how many 6? 1 2 3 4. So 6 are 4 and how many 4 numbers? I just write down 4 1 2 3 4. So 4 also have the 4 numbers. Okay, so in answer option number 3, 4 and 4. So this option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 11. In the word systematic, how many times do consonants occur? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So these are the 7 consonants. So in option number 1 7 mentions. So option number 1 is the correct one. Question number 12. The hungry tiger soon got at its prey. Means that there are the sentences, 4 sentences, A, B, C, and D is given. And at the last, in which of the following option the correct meaning of the group of words does not appear. Okay, so we have to choose from the options. There are the some groups are mentioned in option. So out of that options which does not appear. Okay, so there are the some first got the first option is get together photographs, second get through pass, then got at attack, get out remove. Okay, so 4 sentences are there. So we will just read the 4 sentences. Sentence A: The hungry tiger soon got at its prey. Got at means got at means the sentence is the got at means something after his attack or something he got something. I then sentence B. I cannot get through the examination this year. So get through in a second in a second option, get through means pass. So this is the correct one. Means what exactly they have to do? I cannot get through means I cannot pass the examination this year. Okay, so this is the meaning. So B is the correct one. So is A, B, C, and D. These are the four sentences. So B, the get through and the pass means option number two is the correct one. Then option number three, got at and attack. So got at means in option A sentence, got at means attack means tiger is attacking to get the whatever the his food. The hungry tiger soon got at its prey. Okay, so this is the correct one. So option number three. So got at attack. This is the meaningful. Okay, but we are to find out does not appears. Okay, then four is get out means the remove. This is the pair. So C sentence, wash the cloths properly to get out its stains. Means the removing. Get out means in the removing. So that pair is the correct one. So option number four is also correct one. So the option one, get together and the photograph. So in a sentence D, if you read, it was a nice get together of the old classmates. Means the get together is not a meaning that only the photographs. Okay, so that's why this get together and the photographs, this is does not appear the meaning. So that's why this option one is the correct one. So let's move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is did, goes, was, has, held, turn, see, held, run, own, have, sent. These are the some words. Among the words given above, how many words of three letters and four letters respectively? So we have to find out the three letters and the four letters. So if you see first three letters, so three letters means which one? The four letters respectively represent the present tense. This is also main. The present the represent the present tense means we have to find out the present tense, and even that have the three letters and the four letters. Okay, so did, no, did is not the present tense. So goes. Okay, so goes, first we will write down the present tense, then we will count the letters. Okay, so goes, was is not has. Okay, has is the in present tense. Then fail, no, this is the past. Then turn. Okay, then turn, then see, held is not, is the past. Then run, after this one won is the past of the win. Then have, and then send. Okay, so these are the present tense. Now in this one we have to count the three letters word and the four letters word. So here the three. Okay, here the three, here the three. Okay, so one, two, three. So three have the three. Okay, three letters. I just write down the letters, and here the numbers. Okay, and the four, one, two, three, and the four. So four letters have the fours. Okay, four numbers. So they're asking us the respectively means the three letters and the four letters. So three letters and the four letter means three numbers and four numbers. So three and four is given in option number four. Respectively, we have to give the answers. Okay, so three letters, four letters. So three letters, how much? The three numbers, and four are the four numbers, like this one. So three and the four. Question number 14. Earn, learn, nine, under, find, rent, funny, tuning. Which letters do occur 12 times and 5 times respectively in the group of words given occur? We have to first count all the letters, and after that one we have to find out which letters are occur 12 times and the 5 times. We have to list out that one. So if we count earn, then learn, nine, under, find, rent, funny, tuning. In this one Now these are the words. We have to count it first. E. E is the one, then two, three, four, five. Okay, E is the five. Then A. One, two. A is the two times only. Then R. One, two, three, four. Okay, R four times. Then N. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So n is the 12 time. Okay. And in a question, they're asking 5 times and the 12 times. So E and R, N R comes. So E and N or N R respectively if we counted the 12 and the 5. So N and the E. So N and the E are given in a option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 15. As soon as we got their attention, they stopped the car, come out, and walk towards us. What does what is the difference of letters between the pronouns having the highest and the least number of letters? In this one, we have to first count the pronouns. So how many pronouns are there? So if you see the pronouns, as soon as we, so here the first one is the we, then got there, okay, attention, they stop means they is the pronoun, then the car came out and walked towards us. Okay, so us, these are the pronoun.